我今年係51歲，用咗11年半嘅時間，終於達成咗我人生最璀璨、最有成就嘅學飛嘅生涯。
Alice Chen Pengwei is 51 years old and comes from Hong Kong. She's currently at Lianzhou Airport in Zhuhai, waiting nervously for her flight training exam to become a certified general aviation pilot.
挺緊張，但是要放鬆，要緊張，要跟自己說要放鬆一點。對，即係我初學嘅時候喺香港。頭嗰幾堂係好緊張，即係成日覺得會唔會即係自己做咗啲咩嘢，突然間架飛機會點？同埋我自己都係嗰陣時仲有少少怕飛嘅。咁但係到咗之後呢，其實係我都話一路係會愛上嗰樣嘢。咁準備考實戰試嘅時候呢，咁點知2020年呢嗰個新冠疫情，咁所以我停飛咗3年。3年之後呢，一開始話可以飛啦咁嘅時候，咁我就揾最近香港嘅地方睇下邊係可以飛，咁我嗰時就知道珠海係可以飛嘅，咁亦都因為港車北上，咁我申請咗港車北上。我覺得連州機場呢個規模呢，即係通用航空嚟講，係個規模係好好嘅，好完善。
Landing in Zhuhai was just the beginning. In a flight school filled with young cadets, 51-year-old Chen must work twice as hard to finally get her dreams off the ground.
你的年紀會對你造成一些阻礙嗎？你會有這種感覺？
有，真係有嘅。11年嘅時間，因為我開始嘅時候，同而家真係爭好遠。我話我10年前呢，其實可能睇一版書，即係睇一版理論，可能即係望1-2次我就會記得。咁我記得我考嗰個理論試嘅時候，因為都講緊係第10年㗎，嗰陣時係考。我發覺咗嗰陣時睇理論嘅嗰本書呢，再唔係好似以前咁樣一睇一版，可能兩三次就 OK。咁要真係雙倍或者3倍嘅時間去記得。每一次我完咗嗰個飛行之後，咁通常教練會同你做一個即係 debriefing 啦，我哋叫做，咁佢就會通常都會。我都會寫低晒，即係我每一堂我都會好專心咁樣寫咯。我好相信終身，即係我哋叫終身學習。
In China, the rise of the low-altitude economy has lowered the barrier for ordinary people to learning how to fly a plane. It has also created diverse recreational flying scenarios. For a non-professional aviation enthusiast like Chen, getting a private pilot license is not just about challenging herself, it's about unlocking a whole new way of life. In future, she will be able to take her family and friends on sightseeing trips up to 3,000 meters. As the 15th Five-Year Plan refines low-altitude airspace management and promotes legislation for the low-altitude economy, flying a private plane or taking an air taxi for a trip will eventually become a part of everyday life.
郑姐现在是要去
考試。
1層到了 first floor。
終於等到這個天，這個時間。2015年8月30號是第一天，等了很久了，很期待，真的很期待這天。駕駛艙望出去嘅時候呢，嗰個世界係完全唔同，即係嗰種感覺係好無拘無束。你嗰個即係嗰個自由啊，好似感覺到好似自由飛翔嗰種感覺。
油門收，大膽點收，看好地面。油門收，往下沉。帶住，保持住。
謝你啊，謝謝你啊！
恭喜恭喜！
有一點緊張，但是考過很好很好。想回家跟女兒說，考完了，真的考完了。哇！
可能20-30年後我好老嘅時候，我自己寫翻，即係可能我自己寫翻我呢11年半學飛嘅生涯，我覺得係人生入邊最燦爛、好 enjoyable、好開心嘅經歷。